Paulo, please lead the prayer. Thank you, Paulo. Okay, class, before you sit down, please arrange your chairs and pick up pieces of papers. Good morning, class. How are you today? That's good to hear. Before we proceed with our discussion, let us first check your attendance. Say present if your name is called. Paulo, I think everyone is present. So, what was your topic last meeting? Okay, very good. Our topic last meeting was all about sentences. And today, I want the class to be divided into 4 groups. So, I have here 4 pieces of papers and I want you to arrange them in order to be able to formulate a new sentence. Is that clear? Okay, you will have 5 minutes to answer. Very good. I am pleased that you were able to finish the task given to you. Now, let's discuss your answers. Anybody can tell me what he or she notices with the following sentences? Very good observation. Okay, class, our topic for today is all about the 4 kinds of sentences. We have 4 kinds of sentences. So, first, let's discuss the first type, the declarative sentence. Anthony, can you please read the definition of the declarative sentence? Declarative sentence states an idea, whether it is a fact or an opinion. Now, let's take a look at with Group 1. Group 1 came up with a sentence, Philippines is rich in natural resources. This one is an example of a declarative sentence. Did anyone tell me what is the reason why it is classified as declarative sentence? It is classified as declarative sentence because it states a fact or opinion and it ends with a period. Now, can someone give me another example of a declarative sentence? Now, let's proceed to the second type of sentence, which is the interrogative sentence. Can someone read the definition of the interrogative sentence for me? So, an interrogative sentence is a sentence that asks a question and it ends with a question mark. Now, can someone give me an example of an interrogative sentence? Very good. It's easy to understand, right? Remember, an interrogative sentence is a sentence that asks question and ends with a question mark. The sentence that Group 2 has came up, which is when did you go to visit the White Island, is an example of an interrogative sentence. Now, let's proceed with the third type of sentence, which is the imperative sentence. Can someone read the definition for me? Thank you. Now, let's take a look at the sentence that Group 3 has came up with. So, it ends with a period, but it doesn't mean that it's a declarative sentence. Can someone explain it to the class? Very good. It is not a declarative sentence because it does not state a fact or opinion. It states a request. So, Group 3 sentence is an example of an imperative sentence. Can someone give me an example of an imperative sentence that gives an order or direction? How about an imperative sentence that expresses a request? Let's proceed with the last type of sentence, which is the exclamatory sentence. Paulo, can you read the definition of the exclamatory sentence? Thank you. Remember that an exclamatory sentence expresses a strong emotion and ends with an exclamation mark. Now, let's take a look at Group 4 sentence. Group 4 sentence is an example of an exclamatory sentence. It expresses strong emotion. Well done, class. Do you have any questions? Okay, class. What is our lesson again for today? So, what is a declarative sentence? About an interrogative sentence is an imperative sentence. What is an exclamatory sentence? Further assess your understanding on our lesson for today, I have here pictures. Group 1 is assigned in this picture. All you have to do is to write 1 declarative sentence, 1 imperative sentence, 1 interrogative sentence, and 1 exclamatory sentence. Group 2 is assigned in this picture. Write 1 declarative, imperative, exclamatory, and interrogative sentence. Group 3 is assigned with this picture. Write one declarative, imperative, interrogative, and exclamatory sentence. And lastly, group 3 is assigned with this picture. Write one imperative, one declarative, one exclamatory, and one interrogative sentence. Let's check your answers. For group 1, for the declarative sentence, is your answer correct? For the interrogative sentence, is your answer correct? How about for the imperative sentence? Is your answer correct? Lastly, for the exclamatory sentence, is your answer correct? Very good. It seems that you really understand our lesson for today. So, I want you to get a piece of paper and answer this in your paper. I think everybody is done. So in your notebook, I want you to copy your assignment and pass it tomorrow. Okay, class? Is that clear? Everybody done with their assignment?